Got it.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
There's more, right? Wow. Oh, right there.
Oh my gosh. I heard that so loud.
How many were there? What is going on, crack addicts? Welcome back to the channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. Now, let's get into it, and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Dr. Doug Willen. Yeah, pull your hair to the side just for now. Yeah, so you get tight up in here. So what I'm feeling here is just super tight traps. The rhomboids are tight, rhomboid major, rhomboid minor. It already popped a little. Did you feel it? Good, so your lower back gets tight. Lift this thigh up in the air, just the thigh, and put it back down. And then lift this thigh up in the air and put it back down. Did one of those feel extra tight or about the same?
About the same.
Yeah, I felt they looked about the same. Right here, I think, it's just a push. Got it. Let's do one here now. Got it. So now lie on your back. Actually, do this first. Come sit up. And yeah, move your. Can I move your hair? Is it okay to move it a little bit?
I need to pick it up. Get tired.
All right. That's smart. Way. And then you're going to just kind of let your body collapse down. Got it. Then turn your head this way. Good. And put one leg over each corner. Here you go. So I'm going to turn this way, all the way through this way. Let this drop. Got it. So that gets the ones under the skull, really high up. Did you hear those?
Yeah. I heard them all.
Back your head, okay? And you're going to pull your hair through, if you don't mind helping. Yeah. Good. So then it goes this way, and then it comes back. Make sure your necklace, do you see your necklace? Make sure it's not catching under there. You don't have to take it off, just as long as it's not pinching. So I'm going to kind of let you feel the stretch a few times. Okay, I'm not going to do it yet. I'm just going to let you stretch. Good. Now take a breath in. And we're going to do one, okay? And blow it out. Did you feel anything release?
Yeah, my neck.
Okay. So it's wild because we've already adjusted your neck so many different ways. So now scoot all the way back. Do you have all your pieces for your earrings? Okay. Don't you feel like that's when you should stop? Like when jewelry hits the floor.
I'm so relaxed that I'm with you.
That's awesome. But when jewelry hits the floor, it's like, all right, everybody, let's stop. So I'm going to adjust this next, okay?
Oh my gosh. I heard that so loud.
How many were there? There was more. There's more. I think like 10 went, right?
That is.
Have your knee hover a little bit. I'm going to take your wrist and pull you through. Doubling your arm up, you hold your own back of arm, and I'm going to put my hand through. L4, L3, 2, 1. So we're going to come all the way down low here. There's one. Now I'm going to do more. So big breath in and blow it out.
Oh my gosh.
There's more, right? So now bring your pillow and come back to this side. And now lie on your side again. And I'm just going to do the regular one that worked better, okay? Got it.
Oh my god.
You hear all those?
Yeah, I felt that all the way up.
All the way up your back, right?
Yes.
Okay, so now, you can put this under your head. Let's leave it there. And just pull your leg out a little. Kind of from your hip, but sometimes your ankle will go at the same time.
Wow. Good. So this time we're going to focus on this ankle. So we're going to come in really close here. One more. Okay. Then we're going to come down here. Let me do this one next right here. That one doesn't want to go. But that one did. Right there. So now, sit up here. Put your back to me again. And scoot closer to me. And put the back of your hands together like this. And now lift the arms high in the air. You feel anything go on that one? Okay. So now I'm going to do this right here. Wow. You hear that? Those are good. And do this right there. Let's have you start face up. So you're going to be on your back. And I'm going to look at your neck first, okay? Does one side of your neck give you more trouble than the other?
The left side today hurts more.
Okay. Ooh, right in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm palpating around C2, and C2 is definitely tight. Feels a little rotated. I also do feel stuff on the lower right, though. You feel this down here, too? Like, do you feel tightness here? Or not so much?
Not so much.
How about this one? Tight. Right there. Do you feel that little tender spot?
That I feel, yeah.
Okay, so that's all I'm talking. Right side, but the left is where all the symptoms are today. Like right there is a bad one.
Yeah, that's painful.
Okay, so let's adjust that first. So I'm going to bring your head laterally over to the left.
Okay.
Nice. Good. So big breath in and blow it out. Good. Oh.
It was a nice crack.
That was nice. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to put this underneath you. Scoot down towards me just a little bit. When you lift one leg at a time, okay? So lift this leg from the thigh, and then perfect, and put it down, and put that down. Is there one that's harder to lift than the other? Or they're even?
I think they're even.
They looked even to me, so that's good. Bend the knees, bend the knees. So when I just flex the knees up, does that bring on any pain in the lower back?
No pain.
Okay, good. Turn your face left and right. Let me know if you still feel it on the left side of your neck. And if you do, point to the spot, or does it feel better that we popped it?
I do still feel
Okay, so she's pointing to the trap. Okay, like right in there, right?
Mm-hmm.
And turn your face left now.
It's still right there.
Okay. Ooh, like this one?
Mm-hmm.
Try it now.
A little bit more, I think.
Try it now.
I think that's better.
That's better?
Yeah.
All right. And big breath in and blow it out. Good. Now lie on your side, facing me this way. And I'm going to pull your arm out like this and double them up. Bring your hips a little closer to the edge, please. Perfect. Let this fall. Got it. Come to the other side and lie on your side. We're going to do the same thing to this side, okay? And let this tug. How was that? Good. So the first thing I want to do is just do a pull, okay? We're going to start to open stuff up for you. Drop your head down. And this goes just like that. Let's let it feel that it grabs the back of the head. And do you feel that nice stretch? Good. I have to lower the table a little bit because you're taller than I thought. Big breath in. and blow it out. How was that? Did you feel anything pop?
Oh, yeah.
Where?
Oh.
Was it too much or okay?
No, it was amazing.
All right.
Oh.
Is it a lot? You want to take a breath? I got another one for you in this neck area, okay?
Mm. Oh,
How's that?
it's heaven. It's heaven.
Good. Lie face down now, okay? Big breath in and blow it out. Big breath in and blow it out.
Oh. Oh.
You have more stuff in the upper back today. Neck, shoulders.
Yeah.
Try it again. Lift this leg and then lift this leg. One at a time. How's that all feel?
Great.
Good. So now lie on your back. Good. So I'm going to do this ankle next, okay?
Yeah.
And then the toe. Have you come stand up, Jamie? You're going to be right over here next to me. See how you feel so far? How does that chest feel? So
Feels a lot better, actually.
yeah. It
Yeah.
needs a little work. I think
Yeah.
some of the work you're going to get is from stretching it.
Sure.
Let me see the wrist. So you're going to turn and face me a little bit and let that arm fall.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.